In this video, we'll walk through the complete guide to prompt reports in CitedSpy and show you how to export and analyze your data. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click on Prompts. Here, you will see your tracked prompts organized across the three main categories: Discovery, Comparison, and Branded. To download a detailed report for any prompt, click on the specific prompt you want to analyze. Next, click the Export CSV button to download the report directly to your device. When you open the exported CSV file, you will find comprehensive tracking details, performance metrics, and raw response data to help you evaluate your brand visibility in depth. You can follow the exact same process for any other category. Whether you want to export reports from your comparison prompts to see head-to-head performance or from your branded prompts to monitor sentiment, simply click on the prompt and select Export CSV. And that's how you access and export prompt reports in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.